What if the secret to rapid weight loss wasn't diet or exercise, but a hidden gut health formula that claims to turn your body into a fat-burning machine? That's exactly what SlimTide promises, and it's one of the reasons this supplement has been getting so much attention online. SlimTide is marketed as a powerful gut health and weight management solution designed to improve the microbiome, boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and support natural fat burning. The formula contains a combination of probiotic, prebiotic, and fiber-based ingredients that are commonly associated with digestive health, and some users may experience benefits such as improved digestion, reduced bloating, or better gut comfort. However, when it comes to the more dramatic claims about resetting metabolism, targeting stubborn fat, and creating significant weight loss results, the evidence becomes much less convincing. One concern is that the marketing heavily relies on a secret recipe narrative and uses popular buzzwords such as metabolic reset, microbiome balance, and fat-burning activation without providing strong scientific proof that the complete SlimTide formula delivers these outcomes. Another issue is the lack of published clinical studies specifically testing SlimTide itself. While some individual ingredients have been researched, that does not automatically prove the finished product will produce the advertised results. Consumers should also pay attention to aggressive marketing tactics often associated with supplements in this category, including countdown timers, limited stock warnings, glowing testimonials that are difficult to verify, and endorsements that may not provide clear evidence of authenticity. There have also been reports from some customers who felt the product did not meet their expectations, along with concerns about subscription billing and refund experiences. Overall, SlimTide appears to be a standard gut health supplement rather than a revolutionary breakthrough. It may offer some digestive support for certain users, but the bigger weight loss promises should be viewed with caution. As always, researching the ingredients, checking independent reviews, and maintaining realistic expectations are important before making a purchase decision.